In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Facebook profile lock option is missing using PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, let me show you that profile lock option is not appear here. Let me show you how you can get Facebook profile lock option using PC. First, you click on this menu icon and then settings and privacy and click on settings. Now from the left hand side, just scroll down and click on post and tap on who can see your future post and make it friends and click on save button. Now click on this Facebook icon to go to the home page. Now click on your profile again and click on this three dot icon and then tap on turn on professional mode and click on continue and then click on turn off button. Now you need to refresh this page and again click on this three dot icon. Then you'll find a profile lock option will appear here and click on it. Again click on lock your profile. Here you go. Finally you lock your Facebook profile. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily lock your Facebook profile using PC.